Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you're welcome to a new tutorial. I'm so glad to have you here. You finally found me. If you are just seeing my channel for the first time, you're welcome. In this channel, we love to make everything DIY, and we also do some bits of Bible lessons and encourage the press people. And on some days I post styles, okay, style inspiration for you. So today we are going to be learning how to bead a beret in simple steps, and I have my beret here. This is one of the tools that you are going to be needing. I bought this beret like few years back, and I just want to make it more beautiful. It came with stones, so this should let you know that if you want to bead your beret too, it doesn't matter either it came with stones or not. You can also put your own stones to make it more shiny. You can use Swarovski stones. Here they used normal stones, and which I'm not really okay with, but there's nothing I can do about it. Yeah, so when you are doing yours, you can make use of Swarovski stones. So some of the instruments you are going to be needing is beret, of course. You are going to be needing beads, any bead of your choice. Today I'm using the pearl bead in white and the pearl bead in silver. You need a scissors and you need threads. You need a thread, so I'm using a black thread for the purpose of this tutorial, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So before we continue, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this video with your friends. Tell your friends about this channel where we do everything fun. You can also turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you. So without further ado, let's get into the honey of this video. So I just want to do the top part of this beret, and I just want to make dotted beading pattern. So how you start from the down part, put in your needle like so, string in your bead, and then when you want to go to the next place, you have to make sure that you pass the thread like this in a very gentle manner. Then you pass it like this, dip it in very close to the bead you just stringed, dip it in and let it come out where next you want it to come out. Repeat the same process, pass it at the side, move your needle and let it come out where next you want it to come out. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So I tried as much as possible so that the thread doesn't come out. So it's not advisable to use a color that does not match your beret. I'm still going to film a tutorial on how to make a dotted beading pattern that does not show, but it's because this is very soft. So I'm going to get my red thread. So I got my red thread. Don't mind my thread. My son must have done it this way. So it's it's not really matching, but it's better, guys. Put in your needle like so. Then you start putting in your beads. Then you put it inside and let the needle come out wherever you want. I'm just making dots, scanty dots all over this beret, and because my silver beads are not much, I'm trying to be creative with it. I'll use more of the pearl beads. So I'm keeping quiet now, so you can just go ahead and see what I'm doing. When you are doing something like this, you just have to be creative with it. As you can see, as I was doing it and passing it like that, the thread was showing. So I think I want to change my method by passing it inside directly. You string your needle. After stringing your bead, you chook it very close inside like that. You bring out your thread again. When you are working, you have to devise every means to make your work neater. So as you can see here, when I was doing the other method, I noticed that my threads was showing, and to make my design very ugly. Look at the new method now. The threads are not showing. So you just have to devise every means to make your work neater. So I bring in my needle, string in the bead, then put it back inside very close to where my bead stops. So I'm going to continue that up till I fill up every space on this beret. At this middle, I just want to make like, I don't want it to be scanty, I want it to be a bit full. So I'm going to be doing some close designs at the middle part. I'm using 2 pearl white bead and 1 silver pearl. That's what I'm going to be doing for this middle part. Feel free to do any design of your choice. You'll definitely get inspirations once you start beading your own. I got this just now to do this at the middle, and look at how beautiful it is, guys. This is really gorgeous. And we are done. We are done with this masterpiece. I just want to tie my thread so all my hard labor doesn't just fall off. I'm going to tie it again like 3 or 4 times. The inside is not that bad, still looking very neat. Looks like a web in circles. So now the real deal. See this beauty. Just take a look at this beauty. This is really gorgeous. This is really beautiful, guys. Try this out and let me know in the comment section. You can also share pictures of your own design. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.